Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. How you doing, guys? So, new room, yes, almost twice bigger as the old one was. Phew, okay, few days was no videos, about a week time. So what have happened in that week? I took my wife because we had a 10 years anniversary, and we went to Paris, and yeah, for 3 nights. 20 degrees. Only once was raining, and the rest was quite sunny. So it's really nice. But even on that day, even though there was a rain, still was a sun later. So happy days. And what I can say, yes. So we went back on the 6th, and then we transferred most of it. About 70% is done at the moment, today, and it allows us to work on this desk here and partially on that one. Plus we've got this portable microscope, so for like HDMI port or something, if there is not too much of the trace damage. I've got one which has a lot of trace damage. We should be okay, and we need to transfer the rest. One old wardrobe shelving system is back as well, so those two rackings, yes, this one and this one, and plus shelves here came, so I need to make use of it and transfer the rest, yes, and then tidy up, rotate everything the way we want it. So it is, I would say, still about a week of hard work, and then the rest will be okay, yes. So I went back, and today I started repairs. One of the technicians was helping me yesterday with 1S HDMI. So that's finished already. And the second technician was dealing with a laptop and a few other things. So we're back on track, and we're, well, back on track. To be true, we've got about 20 jobs to do urgently, and plus web development team is chasing me because we've got a lot of improvements in the book repair online. I'll make sure I can show you. Yes, so I will show you just a few so that you will know roughly what I'm talking about. Okay, so book repair. Okay, this one. I was worried that when customers are coming and we're using our regular booking system, yes, here new bookings and undergoing, customers see other customers' emails, etc. Yes, so I wanted a view which helped me organize work better, and now I've got like booked in, received, fault finding, waiting on parts, and so on. So here it's only seen what the ticket is, yes, who've done it, who the job is designated to. And now we're adding the role called repair because I'm using the role repair manager. And so now our technicians will have their own accounts, and they will be able to, when they pull it from received, because that's where they will be capable of pulling from received to fault finding or working on it, then they will be marked, in the Kanban here. So it is great. It is great. Only the ascending descending we need to change, because here it has to be the most recent to not look for it. And what else I can tell you? Yeah, and this way customers don't see the data of other customers, like emails, phones, and etc. Yes, because that was breaking the rules of GDPR, which we were aware of. That's why we've made this change, and that's why we didn't want to use it anymore. So I can use the Kanban planner, and that complies with the GDPR, so that's a good thing. And plus allows me better to organize in the busiest times, when we've got a lot of jobs, like over 100 jobs right now. So that allows us to organize these jobs just in a better way, yes. So that's it. I'll stop sharing, and I will show you something else as well. There is a new feature, only I need to go to that feature. Okay, So there's no details of customers, no details of customers. Let's switch back to the thingy. Okay, and here you can see that it's this orangey, yellowy part. Now it's an estimate. So when customers are booking in, okay, that's booking. Now customers can book an estimate as well, not only the repair. So by default it's estimate, yes, for the customers, and then we know that they can, when we see yellow we need to act quicker because we know customer wants an estimate. So that's another thing. And one more thing as well, notes, which are superb. To be true, I was so happy when this have happened. Only let me grab something which I know that the notes were made for. Acer add note. Okay, I don't see here because it's newly booked in stuff. So if it's a newly booked in stuff, it can be no, that's not. I want to show you that is, but it's less, yes. So I want to show you more details. Oh, let's go to undergoing. There will be more. Oh, and the Kanban, those columns, they are pulled automatically. So when somebody's booking in, automatically I've got this in the Kanban. So the book repair is now awesome. Okay, details history. Oh, there's plenty of to show you now. Okay, so you see, so in the repair history now at the moment we've got statuses updated, so waiting on customer, yes, then received, then working on it, and fault finding, yes. And then as well there are notes, note sections. We can add notes for each job. Has a button, blue button called note, add note. And now note has a date and the time, and then there is a content of the note and who've created the note, yes. So you see, so here I'm trying to put contact, how I'm contacting this customer. So preferred one is WhatsApp. And then found a problem with the hinges plus backlight. First we need to run the a diagnosis of what the problem is, and Pavel is doing the diagnosis, so I know which technician. Later it will be him here, and once the role is created repair, then automatically you know it's there, so we can't get lost. And if I will add more notes, it will be more notes here. So guys, I can say that this system is a wow system right now. Any repair shop, and you can have many repair shops, you can manage them with an ease with this system. This is a really great scalable system if you want to have many branches or one branch. If you want to have people working with you or working on your own, you've got chat with customers, you've got chat with your team, chat with other repair shops, because you can create groups of a chat and add users, yes. You've got invoicing system, you've got Stripe payments, card payments, yes. You've got now shop built in. You've got your inventory of all the stuff you've got in the stock. So now if it's your inventory, it doesn't show in the shop until you will click global inventory. That means it will be available globally for others to see. You've got two views over there, shop view internally as an admin or repair manager or repair technician, and you've got as well data table, so the list, yes. Then you've got whole forum built in, which we want to communicate repairs with, you know, like if there's a problem with a repair, how to approach it. Excuse me. And yeah, and the ticket system as well. So guys, this is an awesome software. I can't believe where we started at when Krzysztof have started to code it from scratch, and now where it is right now, where Łukasz is adding, you know, like a lot of features which will allow us to scale up properly. So guys, that's it in this episode. You see, we moved in the stuff downstairs. We've got nearly twice the size of the room space, so I can tidy up the house from the electronics, but that will take me a long time. We're adding more features to Book Repair Online for anybody who's willing to use Book Repair Online, even apart from ourselves. Maybe other people run repair shops and want to organize their work, don't think about anything, because they've got a brilliant system working for any repair shop. It doesn't have to be electronics, just any repair shop out there. And we've got a good progress, and we're training new people. So now I will be, once everything this is sorted, I will be creating a training course for people who want to start from scratch completely, and they want to be trained by us to fix electronics. And then only if they want to work with us and they don't have prior knowledge, they can use this course. They have prior knowledge, they can either partially use this course to learn fixing electronics and then place ourselves in a certain niche, like game consoles, TVs, laptops and computers, yes, or mobile devices, and then learn one niche at the time. And then people who want to join us, we will be able to use that course as an exam. So if these people will come, before they will come, they need to go through the exam questions, yes, with us on the live camera, and they need to read the questions, answer us, yes, straight away. If they don't know it, we know they never open a game console of that sort or the TV, and we know that they have no knowledge, yes. If they don't, they've got two choices, yes. One, they can learn from us. Two, they can quit, yes, or as well, actually they can learn on their own. But this way will allow us to train more people and hopefully create many job places in the UK for people working from home and having great system to manage their business, which will be sort of either a franchise with us or will be on their own, yes, or as a subcontractor for our shop and don't run bigger shop, just work from home on a part-time basis, yes, if not a full-time basis. Guys, that's everything. I know it wasn't a quick one, nearly 15 minutes, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and now we should have back to the regular videos. Enjoy the ride. Thank you. Bye bye.